This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together. Just like you, you're just like us, and we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Hello, it's us, Topsy and Tim.
Today, I'm going to school without Topsy. Hospital visit.
Feels weird without Topsy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Topsy's not coming to school today because she's in hospital. I'm going to visit her after school. I can't wait.
We need to say hi to Mr Rosen.
I wave to Mr Rosen like we always do, every morning on the way to school.
Hello, Mr Rosen!
Where's Topsy?
Oh, I need to tell Mr Rosen about Topsy's appendix.
Appendix!
Oh.
He can't hear you.
Appendix taken out.
OK, don't worry, Tim. I'll phone Mr Rosen later and explain everything. Come on, let's get you to school.
Oh, look at the train.
I know.
This half term, in class 1M, we are learning about growing things.
So, today, 1M, we are going to plant a bean in a pot, like this one. And if we give this bean everything that it needs, it should sprout.
I'm not really listening to what Mr Morris is saying because I'm telling Vinda all about Topsy. She was so sick. You went, really hurt, Mummy.
So, who can tell me what a bean like this might need to enable it to grow into a runner bean plant? Yes, Roger.
Water.
Correct. Water. Can anyone else think what else
Really
the bean
hurt
might
me.
need as well as water?
Ouch, 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 ouch.
Tim, can you tell me what the bean might need to grow?
Water?
Yes, Tim, thank you, but I've already written water on the board. Anything else? Yes, Kerry?
Mr Morris, did you know that Tim's going to see Topsy in the hospital for the first time today?
Ah, I see, a hospital visit. Well, that is a very interesting thing to do, and maybe that's what Tim's thinking about this morning. Okay, hospital. Yes, Tim?
Did you know, Mr Morris, Topsy's had her appendix taken out?
Oh, I see. Topsy's had an appendix operation. Appendix. Topsy has had an appendix operation, or what is known as an appendicectomy. That's a very long word, isn't it? So we've got 3 words on the board now. Tim, can you read them out for us? Do you want to come and sit at the front? Shall we try again?
Water, hospital, appendix.
Excellent. Well done, Tim. Now, if you listen really well and work really hard, after lunch, we can all make a get well card for Topsy. Yes? Yes, OK. So, beans. Yes!
Mummy has slept at the hospital with Topsy ever since she's been poorly. But she's collecting me from school today, and I can't wait to see her.
Mummy! Say hi to Topsy from me!
Oh, I missed you.
Is Topsy all right?
Yeah, she's doing really, really well.
We made a card for Topsy.
Oh, Tim, it's lovely.
It's from the whole of 1M.
Oh, Tim, she'll love that. Should we go and see her? Do you want me to carry it?
Get well soon, Topsy.
Gorgeous. Who helped you make
Say hi to Topsy for us.
Oh, look, Tim, can you read the sign over there? Just straight ahead. This one over here.
There.
Look, this one. Can you see where's the... What ward are we looking for? Can you see it?
Daisy Ward, isn't it? Oh, it's there. Yeah. Daisy Ward.
Well
This
done.
way.
Perfect.
Whoa, not so fast, young man. We've got enough broken bones in here already.
Oh, sorry, Dr. Walton, he's a bit excited.
I'm going to see my twin sister, Topsy.
Oh, wow, you must be Tim. I'm Dr. Walton. She's told me all about you. She's doing very well. You just go straight through that door, follow your mum, and don't forget to put some hand sanitizer on your hands to keep them germ-free. OK?
I'll show him. Thanks, Dr. Walton. Yes, that's it. A little pump. There you go. And rub your hands together. OK. Do you want to push the button? This one here. Can I help? Oh, yes, hello. We're here to see Topsy O'Dell. After you.
Topsy! Tim!
Oh, careful, Tim. Topsy's tummy's still a bit sore.
Oh, how are you feeling, my twin-tastic Topsy? Did you manage to eat all your lunch?
I ate the pudding and I'm okay, thanks. But I'm really glad you're back.
Oh, well, I remembered slippers.
Yes, thank you.
Here you go.
Whoa. Are these all drawers? What's in them?
Not much. Tell me about school, Tim. What did I miss out on today?
Well, I told the whole class about your operation, and we planted some beans as well.
Did Kerry plant a bean?
Yeah, she was Vinda's learning partner.
Morning, Topsy.
Hi, Dr.
Hello
Walton.
again, Tim.
Hi, Dr. Walton.
Hi, Mr. and Mrs. O'Dell.
Hello.
Hi.
Dr. Walton, please can Tim listen to his heartbeat?
Yes, you can listen to your heartbeats on my stethoscope. Now, you just put these in your ears. That's it. Now hold this up onto your chest. There you go. You hold that. How's that?
Is that my heart?
Yeah, I expect it's rather loud.
Yes, it is. Boom.
Now, how are you feeling? Are you feeling comfortable, Topsy?
I am, thanks.
And do you have any questions for me today?
Oh, I do. When can Topsy come home? We can look after her there.
I'm sure you'd make a great doctor, Tim. But I'm afraid we're going to let Topsy stay here and get a little bit better in hospital first. What do you say, Topsy?
I do like it here, but when can I go back to school, please, Dr. Walton?
We need to make sure you're completely better here first, you see. When you have appendicitis, it means it's a big operation. It takes you a
Dr.
long
Walton
time to
tells me that I can't go to school for 2 whole weeks. And then she starts beeping.
And then you can go back to school. Oh, I have to go and look after another patient. Oh, before I go, I'm going to ask the nurse to show you my favourite room in the hospital.
Oh, what's that?
What is it?
You'll see. Now, you take care, Topsy. I'll see you later.
Thanks, Dr. Walton.
Bye. Bye.
Tim, do you remember that we got something for Topsy?
Oh, yes, I nearly forgot. We made this at school. The whole of 1M signed it.
Thank you. I love it. I really miss school and all my friends. There's yours and there's Kerry's.
Yeah.
How spotted.
Hi, Topsy. I'm Ty, the senior charge nurse. Dr. Walton has asked me to take you for a walk, if you feel ready to do that.
Yes, please.
Great. Okay, I'm just gonna bring the bed up. Just
Ty helps Topsy to stand up. She has to move slowly and carefully after her operation.
to just bring your legs over to the side. Okay. All good. Shuffle right to the front here. That's it. Ah, well done, Topsy.
Thank you, Ty. Come on, everyone, I want to explore.
Not too fast.
Too fast.
Gotta take it slowly, Topsy, okay? The play zone is the most fun place in the hospital.
The play zone's great. And I meet Aisha and Brent. They're fun teachers, especially for when you're in hospital like me.
Wow, look at all of these books and games, Topsy. You'll never want to come home.
And look, a dressing up box, Topsy. Come on, Topsy.
Don't you want to go and join in, Topsy?
I think I need to sit down.
Oh, well, darling, of course. Let's get you a chair.
Topsy, what's wrong?
Grab me a chair, Brian, please. Right, I'll get you a chair.
And that's when Ty said, Topsy has had an operation, and it's going to take a little time for her to get better.
Topsy has had an operation, and it's going to take a little time for her to get better.
Please, may I have a drink of water, Ty?
Of course, I'll get you one. And when you're ready, we'll walk back to the ward, okay?
Topsy, do you want me to read you a story?
Oh, no. I will.
Oh, okay. Oh, like this, Tim. Look at you.
I will read to you in my chicken report.
And that, said Tim, was that. We can play